Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you what are the features you get in the Realme X2 Pro device while using the screen recording default application. So before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of comparison reviews and in-depth videos on a lot of other devices. So you can see the what variant I'm using right now in this video, Snapdragon 855 Plus and 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. So a lot of you guys are asking me what settings you get in the screen recording application of the Realme X2 Pro device. So here is the video guys for you all. So let's see at what settings you can record the videos in this device. So you need to long press on the screen recording application to get through the settings. So what you get. So the first main important thing is that whether you can record the resolution at higher or not. So yes, you can record at 1080p resolution, not at 2K, because the screen is only 1080p display. So this is the maximum resolution you can record. And next is the orientation of the videos, as you can see. So which will be a default as follow system. So there is no change in that. And the third option where a lot of users are having doubt whether this can record the internal audio or not. So here you got only one option guys, that is microphone sound. So that means only the microphone sound will be recorded, not the internal game audio sound. So that is another drawback in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is the Chinese version which I am using right now in this video. So I'm not sure once the Realme X2 Pro launches in India, they might add additional features along with the update. But right now there is no internal audio recording in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this will be the biggest disadvantage for most of the gamers, I guess. And you also get the front camera option as well, which can be enabled here. So let's see how this the front camera works. So whether the front camera will be in the circle or square, as you can see here. This is how you get the front camera in the circle thing. So you can move wherever you want on the phone display. So that is guys, this is a quick review on the screen recording of the Realme X2 Pro device. So only drawback is that you cannot record the internal audio if you want in the device. So you should either use the microphone or no sound at all. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru. And if you're having any doubts regarding the X2 Pro device, don't forget to WhatsApp me to the number given. Until then, stay tuned guys. See you in the next video. Bye.